This place is so good. So nice. See the trees, see the greenery. Oh, it looks so good. Guys, look at this place. It looks nice, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, so beautiful. See the greenery. This place is so clean. It's so good. This is the park, guys. Sometimes if you feel like you are tired at home, you can take your family, you come here and relax. Enjoy the breeze. Check this one. Oh, the flags of all over the world, they are here. This place is so good. And it's free. Everyone can come here and relax. No one can ask you anything. Look. Guys, I'll take you around here. You see how our park here look like. They are so nice, so nice. You can take breath from here. You can come relax. If you have a birthday party, if you have a party or anything, you can come with your food and enjoy it here. This is a free place. This is a free park where everyone is allowed to come. Yeah. The greenery, it's something else. Very, 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 very nice place to be. Very nice place. You have parking. You can come with your car and park here and enjoy. You just look at this. You just check.